Hello and welcome to another short little video, and what we've got here this time is an actual flame detector, would you believe. It's hooked up to an Arduino. It doesn't actually need to be, but hey, it's an experiment at the moment, so that's what we're going to do. Now, the flame detector came in a big box from Hobby Components. It's the Ultimate Sensor Kit. For the money, the Ultimate Sensor Kit is an absolute bargain, and you can buy these things singly. It's a keys module, but you might as well buy the whole lot in one go because there's tons of stuff in there. It's going to keep me busy for weeks, so why not? On to the subject of the little module itself, and what you've got a photo transistor, a comparator, a potentiometer, couple of LEDs, one of which you can see shining away redly there, and a few resistors. It's not a complicated circuit, but it's the way it's hooked up that makes it do what it does. The potentiometer there is to alter the sensitivity of the phototransistor comparator unit to make the digital output come on when a flame is detected, because here's a bit of a problem. Dark corners are best for this, because if you have a very bright light, what will happen is that it will detect the infrared wavelengths in that bright light. Now, it detects infrared wavelengths between 760 nanometers and 1100 nanometers. So, when it's dark, there's no infrared. Shall we see if it works when you put a flame somewhere near it? What are we going to use to produce a flame? Why, I do believe it's my trusty cricket lighter. There it is. It works if you put a flame near it. It goes off if you take the flame off. Let's try it again. Splendid. And now it's a bit of a shame to waste that flame, so John Players. What I've done here is I've hooked the digital output up, but I've not hooked the analog output up. There are two outputs on this one. The digital output tells us that a flame is present. The analog output gives us the strength of the flame. Now, I don't know about you, but if I'm caught in the middle of a fire, I don't care what the strength of the flame is. I want to get out of there. So the digital output is all we really need here, and I've just forsaken the analog output entirely, and I'll be doing that throughout the rest of the article.